you want to have a one-to-one discussion with me, I will leave a link in the description below where you can connect with me for 15 minutes for free. Hey guys, recession is coming. Everybody knows about it. News are already there on social media platforms. Firings, layoffs, unhappy employees, sad employees. Lot of things going on right now. What we need to do and what we need not have to do. Let's try to discuss each and everything in this particular video. Stay till the end. You will definitely be beneficial from this video. See you after the intro. Hi. Well, everybody is aware of the situation right now. 50% of the employees has been fired by Twitter after Elon Musk has taken over Twitter. 11,000 employees has been fired from Meta, which is almost 13% of its entire strength globally. There are also news about multiple other companies like JP Morgan, PwC, and there are some other companies as well. And definitely, I'm not the one who are basically, sharing this news out of the box. We have heard it from somewhere. Some of my internal friends, internal senior colleagues from JP Morgan and some other companies have also told about this thing as well, that layoffs are going to happen in those companies as well. So I would say that it's going to be a global scenario. Recession is coming and everybody is aware of it. What we need to do, what we need not have to do in this scenario. I'm not sure if you know about the 2009 recession. Well, at that time I was studying bachelor's degree. I was in my second year or third year. I think it was second year. And I know how difficult it was for our TPO to get companies to our college. Our super seniors were struggling like anything and the situation was very bad. People almost waited for 2 years, 2.5 years, and then they got their first job. Freshers were badly impacted with this. Will that recession be repeated in 2023 or 2022? Well, I'm not pretty sure. I think the recession is not as compared to what happened in 2009, but let's just hope for the best. What's going to be the impact? The recession is definitely going to be impacted. Multiple students and professionals will be impacted, but majority of the freshers will be impacted by this. Experienced professionals, definitely, if they are laid off, they can try out for multiple other jobs which must be there in the market. But for freshers, it could be very, very difficult. I have also watched some of the videos related to this particular topic on other channels. I'll not name the channel names, but they told that if you are good enough, if you are pro, if you are handling like you are working like 5 persons work, you will be safe. No, that's not the case. Definitely that's not the case. Doesn't really matter if you are a top performer or a bad performer. Of course, if you are a bad performer, you might have higher chances of getting laid off, but top performers have also been laid off. So it doesn't really matter how your performance is, but yeah, if you are a good performer, you will definitely find another job very quickly, right? Simply, let's try to understand recession. Demand is low, supply is high, right? That is what recession is all about. Jobs are less and people are more right now. Obviously, jobs are less because company has stopped hiring, because they don't have the funds to hire, right? I would say that recession might hit India's market probably by the early 2023. And of course, companies who are kind of having US market as well, they could be more impacted by this recession. Talking about my local candidates or my local people who are watching my channel, people from the Hong Kong, definitely I would say the recession is not going to be that impactful in the Hong Kong market, because in Hong Kong most of the companies are focused on the local market, and I wouldn't say that they will be hugely impacted. Even I had a word with couple of the recruiters here in Hong Kong, and this is what they said, that it might not be that impactful in Hong Kong. Now, well, we discussed everything, like the general scenario, what's happening, what we need to do. Of course, what we need to do is, if you are currently working in a company for the past 3-4 years, I would recommend you to stay back at least for the next 4 to 5 months, see what the situation is, and then probably take your next decision for switching. Because right now, if you switch to a company, and let's say the company is majorly working with the US market, that could be a difficult thing. I don't know what will happen, but just take your decisions very carefully. So apart from that, definitely, this is the time where you should upskill yourself as well. Now, when it comes to upskilling basically means, if you know XYZ skills, it's time to add more skills to your profile, right? So if you are working as a software developer or as a data analyst, you can work on some advanced topics. You can learn data science. Or else, if you are into in the web development space, it's time to add more programming languages to your bucket. If you are working as a UX designer, it's time to learn more tools. If you are into operations, it's time to know DevOps and, if possible, MLOps as well, right? So you have to upskill based on your current profile, right? It does not mean that you are coming from a completely different background and I will tell you to take this course and you have to take it. No. And while choosing a course, always make sure about few things. Who the trainer is, that's more important. Don't go for brands. If you go for brands, unnecessarily you will be wasting a lot of money. And most of the big brands, they don't reveal who their trainer is. Now, if you have been following me and if you want training from me, I will be hosting a data science bootcamp where I will be teaching everything related to data analytics, machine learning, SQL, NLP, computer vision, deep learning, everything in the next 6 months. The program starts on November 9th. And if you are interested to learn about this, you can definitely enroll, and the cost of this is as low as 5,999. If you use my code SAT1000, you will get this course at 4,999. Now, some of you might be thinking, such low cost course, why? The reason behind this is a new startup that has been created, 𝐓𝐢𝐻𝐸 Analytics, and we are focusing only on getting as much students as possible, get positive reviews, get positive testimonials, and that's one of the reasons why we are giving everything for as low as 4,999. Let's try to go back to this particular course, and I will be explaining you some of the features of this course. And one more thing, if you are little bit confused about this, you want to have a one-to-one discussion with me, I will leave a link in the description below where you can connect with me for 15 minutes for free. Well, I will be giving you my TalkMate account. Only one of these services will be free. Make sure you check out the free service, which will be a one-to-one service. Take that. We can discuss about your profile for the next 15 minutes based on whatever time you are scheduling a call with. And based on that, I can give you inputs whether you want to join this course or not, whether you would be beneficial from this course or not. So let's go and talk about the course in details. So this is the website to visit, which is 𝐓𝐢𝐻𝐸𝐴nalytics.com. Once you visit, you will be able to see a pop-up like this. Let's try to refresh and see. You will see a pop-up like this where it will be shown that you can enroll this bootcamp for 4,999. You can use this code and just enroll. Click here. You will be redirected to this bootcamp page where you will get all this information related to the syllabus and related to who the trainers are and all those things. You can go through this. You can see the syllabus is very detailed. We are getting started with the introduction part first. Python for data science, it is mentioned here as prerequisite, but don't worry, we are going to teach Python from scratch because recently we got feedbacks from multiple students that we need to teach this. We cannot make it prerequisite. So this will be an instructor-led taught class. Okay, it's not prerequisite. So prerequisite videos will also be given, but on top of that we will be taking classes. Statistics, SQL, NoSQL, data wrangling, all these topics will be covered. And then we also have machine learning, then we have NLP, deep learning and computer vision, and some basics of data engineering as well. And we will also be doing deployment of models using Flask, Streamlit and Cloud. Now going back to the program, you can scroll down and check out the price is 5,999. Click on buy, you will be redirected to the bootcamp page. Here if you click on buy now, of course I cannot, in my account I have already taken the program. So in your case you will be getting a page something like this. Let's say I'll try to open up I'll open up a new account. Maybe I'll log in. Let's say here I will type in bootcamp. I will be going for the data science bootcamp. Buy now, and this is where you have to apply the coupon. 1000 apply, and the moment you apply, you can see the course is enrolled for 4,999. Now the advantage of this course is, of course, it's an instructor-led 6 months program where you will be getting, of course, 24/7 support from our team. The moment you join in the program, let me show you. The moment you join in the program, in the welcome to the course, you will be provided with a WhatsApp community. Once you click on this, you will be redirected to the WhatsApp group of the course, and all the discussions, support, all these things will be happening on that WhatsApp group itself. Okay. On top of that, Sone Pe Suhaga, the thing is that if you take this program, data science, we will also be giving you the self-paced data analytics program for free, which means you take the data science program and you get all these courses for free. Microsoft Power BI, SQL, and all those things. So that's all about this particular announcement, and I hope to see you for the one-to-one calls. In case you have doubts, in case you have any queries, feel free to reach me out. That's all about this particular video, guys. In case you like it, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and I hope everybody is clear with the recession concept. Do not worry about the situation. It will just pass away as soon as possible. Let's try to utilize this time in upskilling more and more. And if you are a little bit confused about what you need to choose as per your background, what career option is best for you, what upskilling is best for you, is it going to be DevOps, cloud, is it going to be data science, analytics, anything like that, please book a consultation with me, one-to-one with me, using the TopMate link that will be provided in the description below. See you in the call, and I'm pretty much sure we all can overcome this situation of recession very quickly. Stay strong, stay happy, stay healthy. See you in the next video and enjoy the scenery.